Hello and welcome to the video explanation for lesson 1 in this kindergarten force and motion unit. On the flowchart, you can see that this is the phenomena exploration or the initial engagement activity, which is a lesson where kids explore, they ask questions, and the main goal is to try to create wonder. The lesson that we have planned is a connection to these two standards in the Next Generation Science Standard. And the lesson plan is right here. The thinking log, you will be looking at page 1, page 2, and page 3. And this is where the students will write down or draw their observations. For the instructional slides, we just basically have this one that you could put up while the kids are exploring. So the way that this lesson works is you're going to set up just some various objects in 3 stations. And obviously you can, if you wanted to change that around and make more stations, that's fine. But just a bunch of little toys, balls, matchbox cars, wind-up toys, toilet paper rolls, and if you can, something with a string, because you're going to let the kids play with the toys and just kind of have, divide your class up into three groups, have different toys at each station, and just let them play. And let them play for about 4 or 5 minutes, and then have everybody stop, and then say either draw or write what you saw in that station. So for example, if you have a station with a bunch of toy cars, maybe they'll just draw cars moving around. And you might want to do a short little, hey, what did you see? And maybe they might observe something that I pushed it really hard and it moved fast, or I pushed it slow and it didn't move very fast, whatever it might be. Have them write for 3 or 4 minutes, or draw depending on their capability, and then rotate. And then they'll go to the next station, and maybe this one has yo-yos on it. Maybe you have like one of those toys, like a dog that has like a leash or something like that, because you want to get pushes and pulls, because the big idea of this lesson is that force moves objects with pushes or pulls. So then kind of repeat what you did for the third one. 4 or 5 minutes to play, 3 or 4 minutes to draw, and really that's it. You're probably won't, by the time you get through 3 rotations, it'll probably eat up most of your science time. If you have any time left over, you could bring them in and just start to talk, let them share what they saw. And that's really going to be the next lesson though.